Tama ho ba yung nabalitaan ko, there is about 4 billion na nilaan ang Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para sa mga negosyante natin?
Actually, mas malaki pa dyan.
Mas malaki pa?
Yes, yeah. Actually, when the crisis nag-start na yung crisis, we actually set aside 2 billion pesos for the OFW. So OFW Negosyo Fund po ito. So for all the OFW na repatriate or OFW that are into business or OFW na gustong magnegosyo or pamilya ng OFW na nagnenegosyo, pwede po silang umutang dito. So this one is up to 5 million, no collateral, and 1 year po, no payment of principal and interest.
Grace period.
May grace period po. And then you start to pay na after the second year. So, utos po na kasi ng Pangulo sa akin na, Chris, you need to help the OFW. Kailangan mahanapan sila ng yung fallback when they come home dito sa Philippines. So, meron po tayong OFW Negosyo Fund, no? And a week after we launch this one, or even less than a week, meron na tayong actually 10 na nabigyan, no? But for now, meron na tayong 255 applicants. Actually, no? And pag na-grant ito, this will be about 253 million pesos. So, marami pa pong nag-apply ng OFW to get into business. So, importante din po ito.